Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a open source GitHub website which provides you 1 billion tokens to call 100 plus AI models. So I've given the link in the description of this video. So I recently came across this GitHub repo 2 weeks ago. It's called as FreeLLMAPI. This is the full address of the GitHub repo. It's almost got 16,000 GitHub stars. So it's a really popular GitHub repo. And once you land on this, you will see it's an OpenAI compatible endpoint. You get 18 free LLM providers, 161 free models. Also, we have paid models as well, such as Claude, Gemini, OpenRouter, GitHub models. And it provides 1 billion tokens per month for completely free and unlimited. This is the main point. And this is their landing page, and this is the full documentation step by step how to get started in different operating system. You should have Docker installed. For Windows, they have their installer, which you can directly install this. So if you are on Windows, you can install this exe file, which will guide you through 88 megabytes it is. So simply start downloading it. Once you download this, you simply uh, just open this free LLM API. Directly open this exe file, and this will install this inside your Windows machine. And if you want to go to directly their website, they also have their own website as well. If you directly see on the right hand side corner of the screen, they have their own website, freellmapi.co. So once you go to this website, they also have paid plans as well. So every free model, whenever it's released, you will get access to it. And you can search the models like this, or you can browse the whole catalog. So it has almost 60 models, 80 free endpoints, Kimi K2, Quen 3, DeepSeek, Minimax, Quen 3. We have also have GLM, GPT, GLM Flash. So you can just see right here. Once you go to the pricing here, you can also have a lifetime pricing. You can pay $49 just one time fee, and after that you will get all the free models whenever they are released. You will get one API key. Once you click, you can even pay $19 per year as well, or $49 per month. So you can go to Stripe, just purchase this, and you will get a single API key which will be responsible for calling all the AI models for you. So this is the thing about this, and you see that now automatically this is installed locally inside my system. It is running it directly inside in the background. You can directly open this. You can directly open the dashboard from here. Once you open the dashboard from here, you simply get this option. You can go to the keys page, and directly this will be the base URL locally. All the information is given. You can directly install this CLI exe file. You can see the API key, unified API key. This will be your API key directly. You click on copy to clipboard. After that, you also have the playground section as well, where you can call any model. So inside the key section, you need to select a provider from here. So simply select your provider. Multiple providers are given: GitHub models, OpenRouter, Mistral, NVIDIA, Cerebus, Google AI Studio, Olama as well. So directly paste your API key, and for OpenRouter it's very simple. You go to the section, API key section, and directly create a key from here. So this is the best way by which you can. It's completely free. Go to credit section, API key. Just give it a name and click on API key. Just copy this and after that you paste it, click on add key, and these are all the models which are available for you. So you can see that 324 million credits are already given in the free account, as you see that. So the rates are given for different models right here. It's a very good open source project. You can just see right here. Now you can send a message, and as soon as send the message, you will see now it is responding to us by using this NVIDIA Nemotron model. So we can ask any question here. Let's suppose top frameworks of Node in 2026. So you can ask any kind of question. So it has all the free models, premium models as well, which provides up to 1 billion API tokens request per month. It also have the paid plan as well. You can go to the premium section as well. This will be the analytics, how much you are consuming the credits. And the thing about this software, it's directly installed locally inside your system so that nothing is shared. So directly install this exe file, just follow the instructions, it's very easy. You can also have a lifetime fee, you can also pay so that it's a little bit fast. But it does the job here. You can see top 10 frameworks. It gives the nice little description, the top 10 frameworks for Node.js. So you can ask any kind of question. Let's suppose you want to do a program, you can just write here, build a PDF editor and generate the code. You can ask any kind of question. Just you can create a fully fledged application. Simply type the prompt, and this is your premium. Once you purchase the premium, you will get a license key. You directly just paste this license key and activate your account. You can either pay $19 per year or you can pay $49 lifetime. So you can just see here both the options are there. This will, once you pay that fee, you will be able to use any model, premium, free as well. So these are your analytics, how much request you made, success rate, input tokens, output tokens, everything. So this is a really good open source project. Guys, definitely check this out. I've given the link in the description. So it's available on GitHub, and it's almost got 16,000 GitHub stars, and it provides up to 1 billion tokens per month that I showed you. For Windows, it's quite easy. You install the exe file. For Mac, Linux, the instructions are given. So depending upon your operating system, you can directly install this. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment whether you like this API provider or not.